This split-screen line graph illustrates a specific disconnect in modern search. On the left, organic web traffic is dropping sharply for established brands. Yet on the right, pipeline revenue remains stable, and in many sectors it is actually increasing. This downward traffic trend often triggers a defensive reaction. CMOs and strategists have been trained to view a decrease in visitors as the primary signal of a failing strategy. The shift is not a failure of search itself, it is a failure of the metrics used to track it. For 20 years, the search engine results page functioned as a routing mechanism, a directory of 10 blue links meant to send users away to external websites. The modern results page functions as a destination. It is a synthesis layer designed to satisfy the user's intent without requiring them to leave the search environment. Evaluating a destination by measuring it as a transit hub makes the resulting data irrelevant. If you rely strictly on traditional click volume, you are following a map of a defunct system. Good Firm's research confirms this baseline. 58.5% of searches end without a click. For queries triggering an AI answer, that rises to 83%. Mapping this onto a traditional funnel shows where referral traffic disappears. The AI resolves the query on page, and the searcher exits satisfied. This behavior was accelerated by Google's rollout of AI overviews, which moved synthesized answers to the top of the results page for millions of users. The Reuters Institute forecasts that this change will lead to a 40% decline in search engine traffic for publishers over the next 3 years. This loss is concentrated in top-of-funnel informational content. Articles that answer basic what and how questions no longer function as reliable drivers of direct site visits. To remain visible, brands are moving towards Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. The objective of GEO is to ensure a brand is the primary source cited inside the outputs of large language models. For top-of-funnel discovery, the impression within an AI response is replacing the click as the primary point of brand contact. The algorithm updates of 2025 forced a split in search behavior, creating two diverging paths for user intent: simple research and complex evaluation. As we've noted, basic informational queries have been largely absorbed by AI overviews. This dual-axis graph shows SEMrush data from 2025. Informational AI overviews dropped from 91% to 57%. During that same period, commercial triggers steadily climbed. This intersection point shows AI engines moving into high-value commercial decision-making. Users have adapted, moving from 3-word keywords to conversational prompts that often exceed 15 words, full of specific constraints and comparisons. Search engines now employ multi-vector retrieval to semantically map the intent behind these complex, multi-layered requests. While AI can aggregate general information, handling the nuanced context of a high-stakes commercial query requires a verifiable level of authority. Large language models face a trust deficit at the final purchase stage of a buyer's journey. According to Forrester, 30% of buyers use generative AI for final commit research, but 19% of those buyers feel less confident in their purchase due to concerns about inaccurate or unreliable AI information. At this commercial stage, enterprise buyers actively look for human validation to mitigate the risk of a bad decision. This provides the opening for a brand's EEAT, its demonstrated experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. LLMs rely on external signals to establish credibility. They look for proprietary research, external validation, and community discussions on platforms where peers vet information. In an environment of synthesized answers, original human expertise and proprietary data are the assets an AI model cannot fabricate. The problem is that traditional analytics cannot see these high-value interactions happening inside AI interfaces. Take a typical 2026 research session. A buyer conducts a 5-turn conversation with an LLM to compare 3 specific vendors. During that session, the AI cites your brand as the authoritative choice multiple times. The user is convinced. They close the AI app, go to their browser, and type your company name into the URL bar to convert. This fractured flowchart shows the result. Traditional attribution records a click failure on the initial research query, then logs the final conversion as a direct search success. The top-of-funnel discovery work performed by the SEO strategy is invisible. The credit is assigned to a different channel entirely. Single-session, click-based attribution models provide an incomplete view of the modern journey. They require a complete structural replacement. The connected signal model tracks interconnected variables instead of isolated clicks. First, cluster visibility. Tracking isolated keywords no longer reflects market presence. Second, AI and LLM citations measure brand inclusion in AI overviews. Third, branded search demand proves AI visibility influences buyers directly. Finally, pipeline conversions connect the system to business revenue. A surge in AI citations leads to a rise in branded search, funneling down into closed revenue. This system replaces isolated vanity metrics with a map of how signals actually move through the funnel. It resolves the paradox of the dropping traffic line. If branded search and pipeline conversions are strong, the loss of informational top-of-funnel clicks is irrelevant. Performance measurement now requires looking at the health of the entire ecosystem rather than focusing on the entry point of a single click. The era of the dominant blue hyperlink is closing. Dedicating resources to capturing clicks for informational queries is no longer an efficient use of budget. For CMOs and strategists, the objective for 2026 is to position their brand as the foundational data layer. Success depends on providing the structured, proprietary evidence that AI engines use to build their consensus answers. Search optimization is no longer about intercepting human traffic. It is about becoming the data that AI models rely on to build their conclusions.